Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering documents because Uber won't accept a phone-only change. Have the vehicle registration, up-to-date insurance, and clear photos ready. Once you have those, open the Uber driver app and go straight to account vehicles. Don't browse settings first. Tap Add Vehicle to enter the new plate and model. Make sure photos are sharp and match the registration names, because mismatches are the most common rejection reason and will stall verification. Now you upload and submit. Type the plate and vehicle details exactly as shown on registration, then attach the registration and insurance files. You'll see prompts for photo angles. Follow them. Once done, hit Submit for verification and watch the vehicle status in the app. Uber's system cross-checks documents automatically, so small typos can cause delays. If you need faster review, choose the in-app option to request support review. This flags your submission for a human check. Finish by monitoring verification progress. It usually completes within 24 to 72 hours. Once approved, the new vehicle and plate take effect automatically. If Uber rejects the submission, review the rejection note, correct the specific document or text, and resubmit right away. If the status shows pending too long or you need escalation, use in-app support to start a chat or schedule a green-light hub visit. That in-person check resolves identity or registration mismatches fast. Use it when digital steps fail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.